Hello, all coders. Welcome to the second video of the channel. Remember, those videos will be uploaded Monday and Thursday every single week unless there's a holiday. Today, we're going to do something simple called line comments. You might have noticed on the left side, Hello World is no longer under the source folder. There's a sub folder now called Day 1, which I can always rename. Let's call it Video 1. No, I like Day 1. But if I wanted to change it, I would just type video and then refactor for those of you who are not sure. But um, let's go over the source folder. Right click, package or folder for your scenario. Day 2. Now within this folder or package, we're gonna right click again and create our class, which we're gonna name line underscore comments. Perfect. Now it's easier for you to track down, because if I had written line comments right here under Day 1, or if I had not created the package, it was going to be difficult for us to find the specific videos down the road. Now it's not. First thing first, let's write down our line of codes. Hello world folders. Do not worry, the line is red because we haven't put it in a print statement yet, right? SOET. But that doesn't seem to work. For whatever reason, I'm not able to run my code. Error, illegal start. What's going on? Remember, you need the main class, guys. We have the class right here, but you need the main method. Main, boom, public stack void main. You need this. Without this, or without your code being inside of those two brackets, it's not gonna work. Obviously, there are different scenarios with parent and class, parent and child, I'm sorry, but don't worry about that for now. Now, let me erase this. Boom. It works. Pretty simple, right? And obviously, you guys can see there's other version. There's auto TV. As you can see, that helps something else, which we're gonna learn in the next video. But don't worry about that right now. Right here, you have your main line of code. Comments or line comments are pretty simple. Let's say I want to write a comment. You do double backslash. This is my first friend statement. This is Day 2 video. But that's one way for you to write it down. You have two statements under one line comment, and obviously if I press enter, it's going to create another backslash. But if I didn't have the backslash here, it's not going to work. The reason for that is because with the single line comment, and let me write this on top, single line comment example. With single line comments, you need two backslash for every single line. So line 9 has a 2 backslash, line 10 has 2 backslash. That is not a big deal when you don't have a lot of code. However, if you start typing and your code is 200-300 lines, this can get a little bit messy. So one other way for you to put multiple sentences on different lines, but without creating multiple backslash, is using something called multi-line comments. Okay? Multi-line comments are pretty easy. It's backslash, star, and you press enter. Boom. Now you have an opening and a closing. Backslash star, and then the closing is star backslash. This allows you, this is my second print statement. Press enter, and notice it doesn't require another backslash. This is a Day 2, or this is Day 2 video. The purpose of the multi-line comments is because it's so much neater. Automatically, this is easier to read. There's less things on the screen, and obviously you can press enter to spread it out a little bit if you want somebody to, like me, I like spreading things around to make sure it's easier to read. But again, the purpose of this is to help clean up your code a little bit. This, in my opinion, is the efficient way for you to use if you're writing at least 2 different lines. And that's practically it. If you enjoyed the video, press like, comment, subscribe, and get ready for the next video. And remember, for any project that you're doing in the future, use line comments to not only help you remember what you did, but also help anybody else that might overlook your code, like a classmate or a friend. That way they have an idea of what you did. With that, have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.